welcome guys to binarystrategy.net, my first English video on my new channel. Today I like to show you how you can make money with IQ Option and let me do this off with IQ Option and one strategy in the MetaTrader 4, and we see what's happened in my MetaTrader. It's happened, we have the OTC charts in the MetaTrader 4. Yeah, you see right, we have the OTC charts from IQ Option, the exactly charts you can see here and here, OTC charts in my MetaTrader 4. You see here my strategy for trade binary options OTC on the weekend with IQ Option, and yeah, that's the strategy here on the left side on my MetaTrader 4. And yeah, I like to show you how the strategy works. It's really easy to understand. Let me make a screenshot. So we have our strategy here. We have a simple channel. We see our channel and we have circles, red circles and green circles. What is the red circle? When the red circle is coming, we have to show for our down trade. When the green circle is coming, we have to show for our up trade. Okay, we have the red circle here. Then we must wait for a confirmation here above that also a red bar is coming. So first we must look the red circle for a down trade, and second for the circle that confirmed the down trade. So let us do one trade now. You see, I wait here now for a down trade in the CAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, for a down trade. You see, I have the OTC chart open on the MetaTrader 4 for the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, and I like to make a put trade, a down trade, put. So now what we do, we wait for a circle, for a red circle, and also the second we wait for the confirmation, the red bar here. I have opened it here, the chart also on IQ Option. On 1 minute, we see here the candle time, I do 1 minute. And yes, we trade, when we trade, we do 5-minute trades. So we have 41, no, say 1949, but we have no circle here. We have no circle. Let me take a look on the other. Oh, we have here one circle on the Euro US dollar. Euro US dollar. Okay, nice, nice. So now we wait for the confirmation bar. The time is 49. No, we go on 53. So now, as I say, we need to wait for the confirmation bar. Here, the red confirmation bar, when it's shining, then we make a put trade, a down trade. Then the circle is already coming here. So let us wait for the confirmation bar and let us do a trade. And let me show you how you can make really good money with this strategy, OTC strategy. Really, really awesome. Really awesome. It's the very best for the IQ Option traders. Then now you have the chance for put a strategy in the MetaTrader 4 with the OTC charts, and you can trade any from your strategies with the OTC chart to IQ Option. And you can make money. You see, the strategy is really awesome, easy to understand for everyone. We have the red circle and we wait for the red confirmation bar for a put trade now here in our MetaTrader 4. Important, we trade 5 minutes after we have the confirmation. We trade 5 minutes. So let me put the time, adjust the time. We make, no, 54. And plop. 55. So only for what we must wait is really the confirmation bar here, our red confirmation bar. And when the confirmation bar is shining, you will see we make a very awesome trade with IQ Option. When you also like to make money with this strategy and IQ Option, in the video description below the video is the link for IQ Option, and you can sign up with our link. Yeah, that's very cool. And after, you can write us an email. The email also I put in the description under the video, for the OTC chart. I explain you the OTC chart when you register your account with our link to IQ Option. And you also get the strategy from us when you write us the email and your IQ Option number. IQ Option number, please. And we can send you the strategy and also the OTC. The OTC stuff that you can trade OTC. For what I look also, I make only trades in the direction where is the trend. And the trend here is down. We have a clearly downtrend, and that's why I make now a put trade. I don't trade. Oh, we see we get no bar, we get no confirmation bar. We must wait for the red confirmation bar. When we have a downtrend, I don't trade up. I don't make a call trade. Then I only trade with this strategy for the direction where is the trend. Yeah, okay, let me make a break, and when I'm ready to get in the trade, when I get the confirmation bar, I make play again for you. Guys, I will you show something. You see here why is important that we must wait for the red bar here, for the confirmation bar. Then when they don't show, you see the trade is not 100%. But now when the confirmation bar is shining, then you will see the trade is 100% for us, that we go down for 5 minutes. 100%. Then we see here he goes to the trend line and bounced now. Now he bounced, and when the confirmation bar will shine, we go in the trade and we have 100% trade. So we will wait for our confirmation bar. So we have maybe 3 seconds. Yeah. We have now the confirmation bar. We see the red confirmation bar, and our trade is now running. Now we have a 5-minute trade. We have 4 minutes left, 4 minutes and some seconds. And yeah, we have our trade, guys. We have our trade. Now take a look and enjoy the trade. You see the chart is clearly synchronized, the OTC chart with the IQ Option OTC chart. That's really cool stuff. Really cool stuff. I like it so much that I have now one chart in my MetaTrader 4 that where can I put my strategy in the OTC chart for IQ Option. IQ Option is 100% synchronized with the chart in my MetaTrader 4, and I can trade my strategy also on OTC times on the weekend. So that's really nice. And yeah, let the trade now trade, and I'm back in the last minute from the trade. See you. So guys, our trade comes to the end. We have left only some seconds. We have left some seconds, and you see the trade is awesome, really awesome with this strategy. And also I can now use the OTC. I can use my strategy with OTC charts in my MetaTrader 4. You see, awesome, really awesome. We have here some channels the channel is here, touch it, we have a downtrend, and we come really nice in this trade. You see, really nice. We have $440 with this trade. When this trade come to an end, we have $440. Yes. 26 second rest, and you see, what for a trade. Thanks God for the OTC charts, what we can put in the MetaTrader 4 and use our strategy to make money on weekend with the OTC charts. Guys, OTC charts the best in the MetaTrader 4. And we have 4 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, let's go. No, 30 seconds left, the last 30 seconds. Okay, but I don't have any fear that I lose this trade. Then we see we really big in the win with this trade. Really big. Thanks for our strategy. You can get the strategy and the OTC charts when you drop us an email to support@binarystrategy.net. And yeah, the only thing what you must do to get, we have $440 with this awesome strategy. The only thing what you must do is sign up on IQ Option with our link is in the description from the video, and drop real money in IQ Option. So deposit real money, make 3 small trades with $1, and then write us an email to support@binarystrategy.net and write, hey guys, I sign up on IQ Option with your strategy, with your sign up link. Please give me your strategy and give me the OTC charts for free. The OTC charts is really free. You don't must pay any stuff. Like for some websites you must pay monthly $20. It's bullshit. With this method you have your OTC charts lifetime for free, and also you can put any strategy on the MetaTrader 4 and rock the boat guys. Yeah, okay. Sign up with our link to IQ Option, drop some real money, deposit real money to IQ Option, make 3 small trades, $1 trades, and then write us an email and tell us, give me your strategy and also give me your OTC charts. Okay guys, the video's finished. Give me a subscribe, give me a like, give me a comment, and yeah, happy trading and a good weekend, the rest from the weekend. Happy trading guys.